Welcome to the country flag quiz. 30 questions await you. Let's begin. Question 1. Which country does this flag belong to? A. China. B. South Korea. C. Japan. D. Vietnam.
Time's up. The answer is Japan. Japan's flag, called the Nishoki or Hinomaru, features a red disc on a white background, symbolizing the rising sun. Japan is known as the land of the rising sun.
Question 2. Which country does this flag belong to? A. Venezuela. B. Colombia. C. Brazil. D. Argentina.
Time's up. The answer is Brazil. Brazil's flag shows a green field with a large yellow rhombus in a blue globe with stars in the motto, Ordem e Progresso, order and progress.
Question 3. Which country does this flag belong to? A. Belgium. B. France. C. Netherlands. D. Italy.
Time's up. The answer is France. France's tricolor flag, blue, white, and red, originated during the French Revolution of 1789 and became a global symbol of liberty and democracy.
Question 4. Which country does this flag belong to? A. India. B. Bangladesh. C. Sri Lanka. D. Pakistan.
Time's up. The answer is India. India's flag has 3 horizontal stripes, saffron, white, and green, with the navy blue Ashoka Chakra, wheel, at the center, symbolizing dharma and truth.
Question 5. Which country does this flag belong to? A. United States. B. United Kingdom. C. Australia. D. New Zealand.
Time's up. The answer is United States. The US flag has 13 stripes for the original colonies and 50 stars for the current states. It's one of the most recognized flags in the world.
Question 6. Which country does this flag belong to? A. Denmark. B. Canada. C. Switzerland. D. Austria.
Time's up. The answer is Canada. Canada's flag, known as the maple leaf, was officially adopted in 1965. The red maple leaf is an iconic symbol of Canadian identity.
Question 7. Which country does this flag belong to? A. Tuvalu. B. Australia. C. Fiji. D. New Zealand.
Time's up. The answer is Australia. Australia's flag features the Union Jack, the Commonwealth Star, and the Southern Cross constellation, reflecting its British heritage and southern location.
Question 8. Which country does this flag belong to? A. Vietnam. B. Myanmar. C. China. D. North Korea.
Time's up. The answer is China. China's red flag with a large yellow star and 4 smaller stars represents the Communist Party and the people united under its leadership.
Question 9. Which country does this flag belong to? A. Austria. B. Germany. C. Hungary. D. Belgium.
Time's up. The answer is Germany. Germany's flag, black, red, and gold, dates to the early 19th century. These colors symbolize democracy and national unity, first used in 1848.
Question 10. Which country does this flag belong to? A. Iceland. B. Ireland. C. Norway. D. United Kingdom.
Time's up. The answer is United Kingdom. The UK's Union Jack combines the crosses of St. George, St. Andrew, and St. Patrick, representing England, Scotland, and Ireland.
Question 11. Which country does this flag belong to? A. Ghana. B. Kenya. C. South Africa. D. Nigeria.
Time's up. The answer is South Africa. South Africa's flag, adopted in 1994, features 6 colors and a Y shape, symbolizing the convergence of the nation's diverse people into unity.
Question 12. Which country does this flag belong to? A. Spain. B. Angola. C. Portugal. D. Brazil.
Time's up. The answer is Portugal. Portugal's flag has green and red halves with the national coat of arms, an armillary sphere and 5 shields. Green represents hope, red the revolution.
Question 13. Which country does this flag belong to? A. Jamaica. B. Guyana. C. Trinidad. D. Barbados.
Time's up. The answer is Jamaica. Jamaica's flag is the only national flag that contains neither red, white, nor blue. Its gold X, black, and green design represents the sun, hardships, and agriculture.
Question 14. Which country does this flag belong to? A. Finland. B. Norway. C. Sweden. D. Denmark.
Time's up. The answer is Norway. Norway's flag features a red background with a blue cross outlined in white, a Scandinavian cross design shared by many Nordic nations.
Question 15. Which country does this flag belong to? A. Iran. B. Mexico. C. Italy. D. Bolivia.
Time's up. The answer is Mexico. Mexico's flag has green, white, and red stripes with the national coat of arms, an eagle on a cactus devouring a serpent, at the center.
Question 16. Which country does this flag belong to? A. UAE. B. Iran. C. Saudi Arabia. D. Pakistan.
Time's up. The answer is Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia's flag is green with the Shahada, Islamic declaration of faith, and a sword, symbolizing Islam and the justice of its founding king.
Question 17. Which country does this flag belong to? A. Japan. B. South Korea. C. China. D. Taiwan.
Time's up. The answer is South Korea. South Korea's Taegyeok flag features a red and blue yin-yang symbol, Taegyeok, and 4 black trigrams, representing balance in the principles of the universe.
Question 18. Which country does this flag belong to? A. Ireland. B. France. C. Hungary. D. Italy.
Time's up. The answer is Italy. Italy's tricolor, green, white, and red, was inspired by the French flag. Green represents hope, white faith, and red charity.
Question 19. Which country does this flag belong to? A. Uruguay. B. Argentina. C. Honduras. D. Guatemala.
Time's up. The answer is Argentina. Argentina's sky blue and white flag features the Sun of May at its center, commemorating the first appearance of the sun during the May Revolution of 1810.
Question 20. Which country does this flag belong to? A. Albania. B. Cyprus. C. Malta. D. Greece.
Time's up. The answer is Greece. Greece's flag has 9 blue and white stripes representing the syllables of Eleftheria I Thanatos, freedom or death, with a white cross on blue in the corner.
Question 21. Which country does this flag belong to? A. Ivory Coast. B. Senegal. C. Ghana. D. Nigeria.
Time's up. The answer is Nigeria. Nigeria's flag has 2 vertical green stripes and a white center. Green represents agriculture and the nation's forests. White stands for peace and unity.
Question 22. Which country does this flag belong to? A. Bangladesh. B. Mauritania. C. Algeria. D. Pakistan.
Time's up. The answer is Pakistan. Pakistan's flag features a green background with a white crescent moon and star, symbolizing Islam and progress. The white stripe represents religious minorities.
Question 23. Which country does this flag belong to? A. Tunisia. B. Turkey. C. Azerbaijan. D. Albania.
Time's up. The answer is Turkey. Turkey's flag shows a white crescent and star on red, one of the world's oldest flag designs, with roots in the Ottoman Empire dating back centuries.
Question 24. Which country does this flag belong to? A. Finland. B. Norway. C. Sweden. D. Iceland.
Time's up. The answer is Sweden. Sweden's flag features a golden cross on a blue background. The Nordic cross design dates to the 16th century and is one of the oldest national flags still in use.
Question 25. Which country does this flag belong to? A. Denmark. B. Austria. C. Georgia. D. Switzerland.
Time's up. The answer is Switzerland. Switzerland's flag, a white cross on red, is one of only two square sovereign state flags in the world. It inspired the design of the Red Cross symbol.
Question 26. Which country does this flag belong to? A. Australia. B. Tuvalu. C. Fiji. D. New Zealand.
Time's up. The answer is New Zealand. New Zealand's flag shows the Union Jack in the Southern Cross on a blue background. There have been ongoing debates about creating a new distinctly Kiwi design.
Question 27. Which country does this flag belong to? A. Laos. B. Japan. C. Pakistan. D. Bangladesh.
Time's up. The answer is Bangladesh. Bangladesh's flag has a red circle on green. The red disc represents the blood of independence fighters in the rising sun, while green symbolizes the land.
Question 28. Which country does this flag belong to? A. Malaysia. B. Thailand. C. Philippines. D. Indonesia.
Time's up. The answer is Philippines. The Philippine flag is unique as it is flown upside down during times of war. The red stripe moves to the top. It features a sun and 3 stars with a triangle.
Question 29. Which country does this flag belong to? A. Ethiopia. B. Tanzania. C. Kenya. D. Uganda.
Time's up. The answer is Kenya. Kenya's flag features black, red, and green horizontal stripes with a Maasai warrior's shield and 2 crossed spears, representing the defense of freedom.
Question 30. Which country does this flag belong to? A. Sudan. B. Egypt. C. Jordan. D. Libya.
Time's up. The answer is Egypt. Egypt's flag has 3 horizontal stripes of red, white, and black with the golden eagle of Saladin at the center, a symbol of strength and power.